Father Joe, when we look at, I suppose, the legacy of Pope Francis and how that might be continued here, I know Francis was very vocal about the fact that embracing of other religions, saying it's all the one God wherever you are born, kind of dictates how you worship and practice your faith. I suppose Leo, because of his missionary work and his, I suppose, global appeal, would have a similar outlook.
I mean, I know you can make too much of this. I was, as we all were, watching him as he emerged, you know, and I was taken by things like just physically how he looked. I was taken by his smile. I was taken by his emotion. You know, I think this guy is, and I very much concur with lots of what Alison was saying there, but I do feel he might surprise us in the sense of, I think he might bring more unity. I think, you know, Francis, whom I loved, I think at times it became a source of division, not because he wanted to, but things got quite polarised. And, you know, even this morning, you know, people are saying, you know, President Trump's happy and so on, you know, and my thing is, yeah, well, stay tuned, you know. Not be happy too
They go back through his tweets and mightn't be so happy after a couple of weeks.
Give that to the end of the summer, you know, and we'll see how happy he is, you know. So I wouldn't get very worried about stuff like that, but I do think that there's something exciting about this guy. I genuinely believe, and I think, Alison, you might be right, we could have quite a lengthy papacy. But I'm hoping it'll be a great papacy. Like, some of you know me well enough, I was planning, I thought I'd be coming in to express doubt and reservation and pick holes in it and so on, which is sort of, it's almost my nature to do that. And that would be my standpoint, that it'd be quite critical. Now, I hope I'm critical in love of the church, but it'd be quite critical. But this has wrong-footed me. Like I'm
even the fact that he has criticised a couple of months ago that he criticised J.D. Vance, the Vice President, on social media.
Yes. He's not afraid.
He's not afraid.
No,
I think
he has
that
courage.
he has courage, as certainly as a positive,
yeah,
as a positive thing.
Yeah.